It I desire to honor you.
Hey, Olivia. Tina.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
For you today, Lord said, who shall I send? Lord send me, Lord send me. Father God, I give you hallelujah and praise. Be a warrior for you today. Personality, friends and family. Said whom shall I send? I said, Lord send. God, I know that you are with me every day, so I pray that you just use me as special cast. And we have Uncle Bert, aka the gangster from Cali, Pasadena. Let's go, let's go. We got next to him Jay Smooth. Check him out. Lead singer here. Lead singer. To the left, we got Happiness, aka Happy Feet. Check him out. Check him out. He is the guy who writes the songs here. This is the guy. And the producer, Island Soldier. Island Soldier, everybody. Gary Suka. And his mistress is Maxine Shane. And here we have Monica. And Mama. And Mama.
Yeah, boy, straight to it. Focus.
Okay.
Want that camera to be one more bit. I'm gonna tap you up. Peace, love.
Merry Christmas. This is Antipata and the king of Central America, Angelo. What's up? Merry Christmas. Steven Suka? Oh. Say something, Uncle Press.
Hi.
Merry Christmas. Here goes the king, aka Queen. What's up? What's up? We got Ivan with baby Olina. Record. Say hi, Crystal.
That's cool.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Trev.
Follow soon.
Patakun.
Here's the king of the house, Uncle Sato.
Hello.